Here I discuss working of PNP transistor. Okay. Here we use generally PNP transistor. This is the PNP transistor. Nana. Here look here. Okay. Thickness is moderate, less high. Okay. PNP transistor. It consists of how many regions? 3 regions. That means first region is called emitter region, second region is called base region, third region is called collector region. It consists of how many regions? 3 regions. Emitter, base, collector. Okay? Emitter, base, collector. Generally, what is the use of transistor? Transistor to transfer the current from low resistance to high resistance. That means low resistance means input. That means initial low resistance means input. Input is low resistance. That means forward bias. P is connected to positive. N is connected to negative. That means this bias is always forward bias. Okay. Next one. Here look here. Transfer a current from low resistance to high resistance. High resistance means high opposition. High opposition means it is connected to the high opposition means it is connected to the reverse bias. Reverse bias means N is connected to high, P is connected to low. This is always connected in reverse bias. Simply emitter base connected in forward bias, base collector connected in reverse bias. Here base is common for both input and output. This is input, this is output. Okay. Here Nana, look here once again. I take PNP transistor Nana. It consists of 3 regions: emitter, base, collector. Emitter base always connected in what bias? Forward bias. Base collector connected in what bias? Reverse bias. Okay. This is the diagram. In the P region, what is the majority charge carriers? Holes. What is the minority charge carriers? Electrons. But electrons is very less than minority means, so I cannot be taken here. In the N region, what is the majority charge carriers? Majority charge carriers, electrons. Okay. Here, in the P region, what is the majority charge carriers? Electrons. Okay. Here, look here, all of you. This is the regions, all are taken majority because minority is very few. So that's why I cannot be taken in the working, I explain the working of PNP. Here P is connected positive. Here right positive. This positive terminal repelled by the hole because hole is a positive charge, positive repulsion. So that's why it moves here Nana. Okay. It moves towards the base Nana. Okay. Holes in the emitter region repelled by the positive terminal of the battery and moves towards the base. Okay. Flow of charge is nothing but the current. This current in the emitter region consumed the current is called IE. Simply emitter current. IE is called what current? Emitter current. Here once again repeat. Holes in the emitter region repelled by the positive terminal of the battery. So that's why holes moves towards the base. Flow of charge in the electricity current. So in this region to constitute a current, that current is called emitter current IE. What is the direction of current? Current direction always in the same direction of holes and opposite direction of electrons. Here, holes moves in this direction. Current direction also same towards the right. Okay. These holes enter in the region of base region these holes enters into the base region. Base is a lightly doped, so that's why here electrons is very less, very less, because base is a lightly doped, so that's why these 100% of holes less than 5%, for example 1%, 2%, 3% of holes combined with electrons and constitute a current is base current. That means less than 5% of holes in the base region. You ఇక్కడ ఒక 4 or 3 దేంతో కంబైన్ అవుతున్నాయి, electrons. To constitute a current in the region is called base current. This minus holes ఏం చేస్తుంది నాన్న, attract. So that's why this is the direction of base current. Base current direction always is in the same direction of holes and in opposite direction of electrons. ఈ 100% holes ని some of the holes ని నెగటివ్ టర్మినల్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, attract, because this is minus. హోల్ డైరెక్షన్ కరెంట్ డైరెక్షన్ సేమ్. ఓకే, మరి ఇప్పుడు 100%లో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 3% డెస్ట్రాయ్ అయింది, రిమైనింగ్ 97% ఆఫ్ హోల్స్ ఓకే టు ఎంటర్ ద వాట్ రీజియన్ అన్న, కలెక్టర్ రీజియన్, బికాస్ హియర్ నెగటివ్ టర్మినల్ ఈజ్ కనెక్టెడ్. దీస్ నెగటివ్ హోల్స్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, అట్రాక్ట్. ఓకే, దీస్ హోల్స్ ఆర్ attracted by the negative terminal of the battery, so it constitute a current is called collector current. What is the collector current nana? Holes are attracted towards the negative terminal of the battery to constitute a current. That current is called collector current. Okay, what is the direction of collector current? In the direction of hole nana. So that's why this is the IC. Okay, here actually we take 100% nana. In the 100% is 3% reduce in the, for example base, remaining 97% reach the collector. Simply I take 100% in the emitter, less than 5% in the combined with electrons in the base region, remaining greater than 95% reach the collector region. That means 100 equal to 5 plus 95, 4 plus 96, 3 plus 97, 2 plus 98, 1 plus 99. That means 100, right? 100% is nothing but the watt current, emitter current, equal to less than 5% constitute current is base current. Here this current is called collector current. What is the basic equation of the transistor nana? What is the basic equation of the transistor? IE equal to IB plus IC. Once again repeat, what is the basic equation of the transistor nana? IE equal to IB plus IC. IE is called emitter current, IB is called base current, IC is called collector current. This is the basic equation of the transistor. And again I discuss this equation by using Kirchhoff first law. Kirchhoff first law, according to Kirchhoff first law, current flowing into the junction equal to current flowing out of the junction. What is the Kirchhoff law in electricity nana? Electricity, according to electricity, current flowing into the junction equal to current flowing out of the junction. What is the Kirchhoff law? Once again repeat, current flowing into the junction equal to current flowing out of the junction. Look here, Nana, this diagram to see here. Nana. Okay. For example, I take this is the junction. Junction is nothing but the meeting point. Here, buffer is a meeting point. Okay. Here, buffer means base. Okay. For example, current according to Kirchhoff law, current flowing towards the junction equal to current flowing out of the junction. This is the junction. Inward IE, outward IB, outward IC. That means simply according to Kirchhoff law also, inward current equal to sum of the outward currents. That means IE equal to IB plus IC. Okay. Next, Nana, hold. ఎంత వచ్చింది? ఎంత వచ్చింది? అట్లా లైట్ తీసుకుంటే హోల్డ్ పెట్టారు. అదేంది అవ్వలేదా? టచ్ పని చేయలేదు. ఓకే, లైట్ తీసుకో, చూడండి. Working of NPN transistor. Here, in the NPN transistor, just previous concept is PNP, Nana. Now the concept is NPN transistor. Here, look here, Nana. This is the NPN transistor, Nana. In the NPN transistor, this is the N, this is the P, this is the N. Here, P, here, this is first region is called emitter, next region is called base, next region is called collector. First region, once again I repeat, emitter, second region is called base, third region is called collector. Here in the NPN transistor also, emitter base always connected in forward bias, because in the transistor used to transfer a current from low resistance to high resistance. That means low resistance means forward bias. So N is connected to the negative, P is connected to the positive. This bias is said to be a forward bias. Okay. Next region, here look here, P is connected to, next here reverse bias unnali, endukante transfer a current from low resistance to high resistance. Reverse bias means P is connected to negative, N is connected to positive. This is also reverse bias. Okay. Here this is the diagram. In the that means emitter base always in forward bias, base collector always connected in reverse bias. In the N region, majority charge carriers are electrons. Okay. P region, majority charge carriers are holes. In the N region, majority charge carriers are electrons. Okay. Here this minus, negative terminal of the battery repelled by the electrons in the emitter region. So electrons moves towards the base. This constitutes a current. That current is called as emitter current, IE. Current direction always in the same direction of holes, opposite direction of electrons. Here electrons moves towards the right, current direction towards the left. Okay, this is the direction of current. Here these electrons enter the base region. Less than 5% of electrons combined with holes in the base region. to constitute a base current. How much percentage ఉండాలి? Less than 5%. Here this plus electrons ఏం చేస్తుంది? Attract. But electrons ఏం చేస్తుందన్న? Attract. That means electrons moves in this direction. Current in opposite direction. This is the direction of base current. Because of positive terminal of the battery attracted by the electrons in the base region and enter to the collector region, it constitutes a collector current. That means all electrons in the collector region attracted by the positive terminal of the battery. So it constitutes a current, that current is collector current. Current direction, electron motion always opposite. So that's why this is here. According to Kirchhoff's first law, currents flowing inward the junction equal to current flowing outward the junction. Inward is IB, inward is IC, outward is IE. That means outward current equal to inward current, IE equal to IB plus IC. In the previous case also, working of PNP transistor or working of NPN transistor, however it may be, what is the basic equation of the transistor is IE equal to IB plus IC. ఇక్కడ 100% ఉంటే less than 5%, greater than 95% reach. Okay, what is the formula for basic transistor equation? IE equal to IB plus IC. Okay, next now I discuss symbol of transistor. Symbol of transistor. Look here, symbol of transistor. Okay, what is the symbol of transistor? This is the first I discuss PNP transistor. P N P. This is the symbol. Here 3 terminals are there. Here. Count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 terminals are there. I take PNP transistor. Write first terminal P, second terminal N, third terminal P. Okay, P N P. First region is called emitter, second region is called base, third region is called collector. Okay, next I discuss NPN transistor. Look here now, round. Here also, look here, look here. This is the Gundranga Kirtan circle base. First terminal N, second terminal P, third terminal N. This is called what? Emitter. This is called what? Base. This is called what? Collector. Emitter, base, collector. Both the diagrams are same. A small difference is there, Nana. Current always flow from P to N. Nana, positive to negative. Always according to electricity. This is the P, Nana. This is the N. On the emitter region to indicate the direction of current. This is P to N here. Here also in the NPN transistor, on the emitter region, the direction of current indicate always direction of current P to N. P positive, N negative. Here look here, P to N. Okay, on the emitter region to indicate the direction of current. Once again I repeat the diagrams, Nana, because very important for 2 marks. Circuit symbols of PNP and NPN transistors. This is circle. Here, look here, 3 terminals P, N, P. Emitter, base, collector. On the emitter region, write the direction of current. Direction of current always P to N, positive to negative. Here, positive to negative, completed. And again I draw NPN circuit nanu. Here look here, N, okay, P, N. Okay nanu. Here also emitter, base, collector. Okay. Here also in the NPN region, current direction P to N, P to N. Okay. Here on the emitter, the direction of current indicate it is moving upward direction. The transistor is NPN. It is moving downward direction of current. That is called PNP transistor. This is the circuit symbols of PNP and NPN. Okay. Next class now.